And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. So, my darlings, I am just pulled some vegetables out of the oven. I've roasted some vegetables, potatoes, carrots, a pepper from our garden. My husband still has a couple peppers from our garden still, and some broccoli. So I roasted those. I'm going to be making a soup. So I wanted to share that. Also, there's some fresh garlic in there too. Forgot to say, and I wanted to say I wish you were all here because the smell in here is, oh my gosh, smells wonderful on a rainy, cold fall 2023. So here it is, my darlings. Here is my roasted vegetable soup. And oh my gosh, my husband's already had a bowl and he said he enjoyed it. And I just put some Parmesan cheese there on the top. And it's got potato, broccoli, a pepper from our garden, fresh garlic, carrots, and I just roasted all that and then blended it all, and chicken broth, milk, cream, salt and pepper, and yeah, so there we have it. Good. So my darlings, I'm trying to make banana bread. This is like my first time. So my oven's ready at 350, and I guess you put it in for 40 minutes. So I'll show you, hopefully, fingers crossed, that it turns out this is my very first time making banana bread, and I love banana bread. So if I can do this, then this will be awesome. So here's my banana bread out of the oven. Now I will have to say, I put it for 350 for 40 minutes. That's what was told to me. But I actually put it in for another 10 because I guess my oven isn't. So hopefully it's come away from the sides and everything. So that's it. But look at it. Oh, and it smells like banana bread in here. It's wonderful. So I'll take it out and let's see what it looks like. So here it is. And I'm going to cut a slice for my hubby. This is out of the oven. So there it is, my darlings. You can, I don't know if you can see, but I can see there's steam still coming out. Just like literally took it out of the oven. So there's my banana bread.
And it's wonderful.
Hubby says it's wonderful.
It's wonderful.
Thank you. You don't have to say it.
No, it is wonderful. Great.
First time. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I gotta try it. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. If you want something quick and easy, this is pretty quick and easy. Wieners and beans. I just boiled the wieners, and the beans are from a can. So I used 2 cans of beans. And then you chop up the wieners after they're boiled and then heat it all up together. I usually put like peppers and a few other things in there, but my husband doesn't really like that. And he doesn't particularly like wieners and beans, but I like it and I'd like to have it sometime. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Hope you're having a great night. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Yes, we're having tortellini. One of my favorite meals. And yes, we love it here. It's a beef tortellini. So, yum, yum, yum. So, my darlings, this is what I'm having for lunch. I call it a Caesar salad. I realize it's not because it doesn't have croutons and bacon in it. But I did fry up these chicken breasts and cut it in strips. So this is what I'm having for, it's kind of like a dupe Caesar salad, chicken Caesar salad, as you could say. Good. Here's what we're having for like a little pre-Halloween lunch. I got those Halloween cookie cutters, and I don't know if you can see, but we're having grilled cheese, and this one's the pumpkin. That's supposed to be the ghost, and the bat, I don't know, it's a little bit of a fail. I was going to take them out of but I didn't want to wreck it. And then I just have a little carrot and broccoli little veggie plate there. And the little eyes looking out. So this is what we're having for lunch. Pre-Halloween, which is on Tuesday, and today's Saturday. Here's what I made us for dinner tonight. I cooked a pork chop in the oven with some barbecue sauce, and I made homemade mashed potatoes. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight. So it is Saturday night, and I watch, usually Saturday nights I watch Lawrence Welk, and they're having a Halloween special because it's Saturday just before Halloween. So, love Lawrence Welk. Let me know if you watch. So welcome back to another episode of What's for Dinner Tonight, my darlings. And tonight, it's actually Halloween night. And for a little bit of a celebration, I picked up some Pizza Hut today for my lunch. And anyways, there was a lot, and I knew there was going to be a lot because that's what I paid for, whatever. So, from Pizza Hut, in the deal, one of the deal that I got in this container is a whole thing of fries, which will open up so I can show you. Like, try to open it. This great big bowl of fries. So then I closed it and I thought, oh, I know what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to make my hubby for dinner tonight chili fries with the chili that I made last night for Halloween. So I'm going to put these fries on this on the pan and put them in the oven just to kind of heat them up, and then heat up leftover chili and put the chili on top. And he's going to have some chili fries for dinner tonight. That's what I'm going to make him. I'm kind of full from my lunch. And here's the chili fry. And here's the chili fries for my hubby for Halloween night. Made with the fries that I got from the Pizza Hut and the chili that I made. Alright. I gotta go and give it to him before it gets too cold. Bye. So my darling, it's Halloween night, 2023, and look, it's snowing. Like, it's coming down. Oh, if you can see there on our hedge. There, snow. This is unreal. On Halloween night. There's my tree. Pumpkin. Let's see if you can see it coming down there. See? Won't show me. Wow. So the snow has stopped. It's like 10 o'clock Halloween night, October 31st, 2023. So hopefully this isn't going to stay. But that's a lot of snow for, you know, end of October. Well, usually we don't get any snow in October. I don't know if you guys can see the trees. Not really. My camera isn't doing it justice. They're all covered. It's pretty. And here's what we're having for dinner, my darlings. What you're looking at is pickled beets. So I'm going to have some of those. But this is what we're having here. Some fish. And it's haddock fish. With I made my own mashed potatoes. And we got some carrot sticks there. And I'm going to have some beets as well. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. And I made tartar sauce, and that's very easy to do. It's mayo and relish. Mix them together. Hope you're all having a great night. Good. So we're back with another What's for Dinner Tonight, my darlings. And obviously you're looking at some broccoli, and it's actually like a broccoli head that I've cut and washed. And I'm going to try to make a very easy broccoli casserole. I don't think I've never done this before, so I'm just going to try this. I got a sort of a recipe online. So anyways, so I got some broccoli. Like I said, I cut it and chopped it and washed it. I grated old cheddar cheese. I'm going to be using an a can of Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. You can use cream of chicken or cream of broccoli if you want instead of the mushroom. Now, they also used ranch seasoning, which I don't have, so I'm just taking some of this like macaroni seasoning salad mixed seasoning. I'm going to try that, and I've got some oregano. They didn't have that in theirs. And obviously I made some rice here. I got some rice going. I got some olive oil going there. And I chopped up some fresh garlic. So I'm just cooking the broccoli in some olive oil just to kind of cook it so when I put it in the oven it doesn't, because you're supposed to put it for 350 for 15 minutes. And if the broccoli isn't cooked, it'll need longer than that. So I haven't put the garlic in yet. I will once they're kind of a little bit more tender. And the person that I watched that did their video, they used frozen broccoli. So either or, this is fresh. So here is how it looks. I put in the garlic. I put in the can of mushroom soup. And I forgot to tell you, you need like a spoonful of mayo and a spoonful of sour cream as well. And then I'm going to put the rice in now. And I also put some of the seasonings that I showed you in. Then I got the rice in there, and then I put some, sprinkled some of the cheese, because you want to save some cheese for the top. I'm going to get a casserole pan, and I'm getting my oven heated for 350. So here it is, ready to go into the oven. I have not taken it out of the oven yet. I'm going to be putting it into the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. Possibly I might do 20, it depends. But you're basically, you're just letting it reheat and get the cheese nice and bubbly. So my darlings, here it is, out of the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. So now I will plate it. It's supposed to be an easy broccoli casserole. I'm sure most of you have made this probably, or something like this before. But I just still wanted to share. So there it is. Smells wonderful, my darlings. Easy broccoli casserole. And this would be good with a nice crusty loaf of bread or something with alongside of it, or a salad. But tonight I just too tired. Tonight I just made this. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Hope you're all having a great night and eating a great dinner too. I just wanted to share with you, this is the rest of our these little tomatoes, or little cherry tomatoes, and we have bigger tomatoes here. That's what's left of our garden for 2023. So we'll just wait till those ripen up. Some of them, as you can see, are already ready to go. So thank you to my hubby for the garden this year. And we've had gardens other years too, but just wanted to thank him for all his hard work. Really appreciate it. So here's a quick little dessert. If you have these chocolate, this is double chocolate muffins. You get some of those, and maybe you don't want to just have it as a regular muffin. You take one of these, and you get a bowl, some whipped cream, and some chocolate sauce, and you just break the bottom apart, crumble it into your bowl, and then put a little bit of whipped cream, and take the other part of it, of the top of your muffin, break a little bit off, and then put a little bit more whipped cream, and then put the rest of your muffin top crumbled on top, and then put a little bit more whipped cream at the top, and then put some chocolate sauce. So I'll show you it's very easy, and it's so super good. And here it is, my darlings. And then this is the Hershey's syrup that I used. And this is just, oh, it's wonderful. With the layers of the whipped cream and the double chocolate and everything.